Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to add song to collaborative playlist on Spotify. Now for this I recommend using a desktop version. So open up your Spotify on your desktop, and what you have to do is you want to locate a particular music and right click on a song or an album that you want to add. After which you simply want to hover to the add to your playlist option on the menu. As you've done it so, then select the collaboration playlist on the list as well. And once you've actually done it so, you want to open the Spotify once again. Select the playlist that you want to share on the left menu. You then click on this plus icon in the top of the page. Done it so, go to the playlist link that was shared with you. And that is basically how you could go ahead and do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.